Kailangan mo ba ng maasahang TV repair service? Huwag nang mag-alala. Jipoy Electronics Repair Shop ang sagot dyan. Nag-aayos kami ng lahat ng uri ng TV tulad ng LED TVs, Smart TVs, QLED TVs, OLED TVs, Google TVs, pati na ang lahat ng China brand LED TVs. We specialize in fixing low power issues, LCD, screen or panel problems, bar line display issues, no display problems, backlight failures, no sound issues, double image problems, flickering display issues. We offer expert home service TV repairs across Metro Manila, Bulacan, and Rizal. Dito sa amin, we ensure quality and satisfaction. Kaya don't wait. Call us today and bring your TV back to life through 0916-408-6198. Matatagpuan kami sa Novaliches, Quezon City.